Hey guys, it's Paulie. This is going to be a very basic finger exercise for dexterity. We're going to be focusing on finger number 2, and we're going to have finger 2 on string 1, fret number 2, and then we'll move to string 2, and then string 3, 4, 5, 6, and back. I'm going to set a metronome for 60 BPM. We'll start out playing quarter notes, then we'll double to 8ths, and double it to 16ths. And I recommend that you add this video to your favorites so you can continue building your collection of exercises. All right, here we go. 2, ready, finger 2, go. Quarter notes. String 2. String 3. String 4. String 5. String 6. Back to string 5. String 4. String 2. I mean string 3. Now string 2. And back to string 1. Alright, now we're going to double to 8th notes. Here we go. String 2. 3, 4, switch. 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 2. Switch. Back to string 5. Switch. 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 And switch. Alright, now 16th notes. Here we go. Switch to 2. Switch. 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 Back to 5. String 4. 3. 2. And 1. 2, 3, 4, E, and all right. So there's that. And add that to your favorites so that you can keep building your collection, and we'll see you guys next time.